Hello dear Thai kids. Assalam-o-Alaikum. Welcome to Voice of DADA Kids. We're young minds exploring big ideas. I am Tech Kid Arfa Aamir, and today we are diving into something super important, water chemistry. Are you ready, Tech Kids? Let's explore the amazing world of water together. Water is all around us. We drink it when we're thirsty. We swim in it during hot summer days. Plants need it to grow, and even animals love it. But have you ever wondered what is water actually made of? It's time to talk about something super cool, water chemistry. Don't worry, we'll explore it in a fun way. Because at Voice of DADA Kids, learning science is always an adventure. Wow, water chemistry! I just love chemistry. You know why? Because I love doing experiments. A big thank you to my amazing mentors who helped me learn and explore. Sister Kashaf, Sister Sana, Sister Aisha, Brother Suhail and Brother Khalid. Thank you all for teaching me chemistry in DADA R&D Labs. And of course, a special thanks to my wonderful teacher, Miss Hira Farasat from Beaconhouse School System. You made learning so much fun. Learning science is awesome when you have the best teachers around you. Hey Tech Kids, do you know something super cool? In chemistry, water is written as H₂O. Let me tell you what that means. I'll tell examples, Tech Kids. H stands for hydrogen. O stands for oxygen. And that little number 2 means they are 2 hydrogen atoms joined with 1 oxygen atom in every water molecule. So we can say it like this: 2 hydrogen atom plus 1 oxygen atom equals H₂O. Pretty awesome, right? Chemistry helps us understand the invisible magic behind everything, even a simple drop of water. It's like this oxygen sister is holding hands with 2 hydrogen brothers. And guess what? These holding hands are called covalent bonds in chemistry. Now imagine their fingers are like electrons. So oxygen and hydrogen atoms share their electrons to build a covalent bond. And together they make a beautiful water molecule. Oh wow, sharing! And as we say, sharing is caring. Water has so many amazing features. One of them is it exists in 3 different states. Let's look at them together. Liquid, that's the water we drink every day. Solid, like the ice cubes we put in our drinks or juices. Gas, like the steam rising from a kettle, just like water vapors. Isn't that cool? Do you know, Tech Kids? These three states are super important because they make something called the water cycle. We'll learn more about that in our next adventure. Dear Tech Kids, I have a question for you. Do you share your toys and tools with your friends? Do you share your knowledge with other Tech Kids? Because remember, sharing is caring. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel Voice of DADA Kids, and share your awesome comments with me below. See you next time with more fun science and tech adventures. So stay tuned. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, Tech Kids.